Alright, so your balloon game's working now. You've got an in-game currency. Beautiful, it's all working great. Now the next big thing we're going to do is we're going to change the difficulty of the balloons. So we're going to first of all add in a wave. So it's going to go wave, 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 wave. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is add another layer. Alright, and I want all our text to be on this layer. Put it on layer 1. We're going to call this layer, rename it to text layer. We want it to be just for text. Alright, that's really important to do. Now we're going to make this nice and big. Put this on text layer. Make sure it's on text layer like that. And we're going to make it size 72 or something like that. 48. Nice. Now make it bigger. This will make our game unlimited, and it will go harder and harder and harder and harder and harder until it's literally impossible. So that's great. So now we're going to go here. We're going to add 2 variables. We're going to add one called wave. And now I've just totally forgotten the other one. So it's late at night, so I'm just going to continue going through this. So the next step we're going to do is balloon count. There we go. We're going to add up how many balloons have been spawned. So after, say, 20 balloons, we'll start wave 1 is over. Okay, balloon count. So first of all, on created, we're going to add 1, set value. Add 1, add 2, balloon count. So we're going to add 1 to balloon count. So we're going to start counting how many balloons, and then we'll set it back down once we're happy with it. So we're going to go here. We're going to compare variable balloon count is greater or equal to 20. So when it hits 20, we're going to experiment first. We're going to set it to 5, okay, because we want to test it out. And this time we're going to go to layout 1, and we're going to add something called a function. Now a function is better because it allows us to call it anytime we want. Alright, so it's like your phone. Okay, instead of installing an app and then pressing play, if you really like an app, you just open your phone and then you press play, and that's what a function lets us do. Anytime we want, we can call this program, we can call this to come. So we're going to call it wave, new wave. We're going to call it new wave. Alright, just like that. Then we're going to go add event, function, on function, and that function is going to be, should come up automatically. It didn't, but that's alright. New wave, exactly the same as you wrote it before, like that. So now when we call that, it's going to do something. So first of all, we're going to go set value to balloon count to 0. We don't want it anymore. Then we're going to set text1 instance variable. We're going to call this wave text. All right, and we're going to say wave 1. Alright. Then on new wave, we're going to have wave text will be visible. Say we're going to give it visibility for 2 seconds. Alright, sorry, I was just thinking, I know there's something going to happen. Then we're going to go, alright, we're going to set it to invisible. Why is that not working? Visible. Set it to visible, go to invisible, and we're going to give health. So we've got 1 here. We're going to, okay, we'll do it like this. Beautiful. We're going to go on created, we're going to go balloon, add to health, and we're going to go health plus wave. So that means when it's on level 2, it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. On level 3, it will be 2 plus 1 will be 3. So it's going to get harder and harder to kill these guys, which is great. So let's see what this looks like now. Alright, so we're going to wait for 5. I'm going to go invisible, that's alright. Just a test. Oh, damn it, we've got to kill the... no. You better not get there. Alright, so here we go. So the text has now gone invisible. Alright, there. Now we're on wave 2, and these guys are useless. I need to fire my tower, guys. Alright, we're on wave 3 now. And they're still getting destroyed. I know what we're doing wrong. Okay, so first step is we're doing on collision with balloon easy. Subtract 1 from health. Oh yeah, that's right. So let's go self dot health plus wave. Let's test that out now. And we're going to press the bug mode. We want to see what these balloons are doing. Oh crap. Here we go. Alright. So let's see. Balloon easy. Oh, come on. So it's on 2 health. Nice, they're working. We can see their health is going up. I think. Oh, I see what we've done. We haven't set that to on new wave. So we're going to go on new wave. We're going to go add to wave. Now that will work. Sorry guys. Let's test that out. Wave 1. Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it. No. Man, I can't even play my own game. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. How stupid can they get? Alright, you see they're getting a lot harder now. So we're on wave 2 now. You see it's hitting it? What's that dude doing? It's useless. Oh. I'm going to start again. I'm going to put them all here. Let's see what they look like now. So they're getting killed straight away. It's so easy. Alright, wave 2. We're in wave 2 now. Let's see what happens. Oh, see, look. Whoa, they're getting much harder to kill. There we are. So they're much stronger. And in fact, it just got through. They're getting through now. So there we go. We've got unlimited waves coming through now. That's awesome. Awesome stuff. We're just going to fix up a few other quick things and then we'll finish this video. Set text to wave and wave. So that should work. We're going to click here, change visible to invisible. And we're also going to do one other thing. We're going to, this balloon, we don't want balloons to spawn when we're giving the guy, our user a break. So we're going to go when this is visible, there shouldn't be any balloons spawning. So let's do that now. So every 2 to 3 seconds, wave text, visible, is visible, invert, right click on it and go invert. So let's test that out now. That should give us a bit of a break. And we'll do one last thing. Oh, damn it. Ah. Man, why are you not liking me? Alright, here we go. Now the balloon should spawn automatically. What have I done? Wave text is not visible. Well, it's not visible, is it? I've turned off visibility. Ah, I'm a silly Billy. I've made the balloons invisible. That's why they're shooting. That's funny to see. Alright, here we go. One last thing. After this, we'll do. So they're going to get harder and harder and harder, and this wave thing is going to be working. So easy peasy. Alright, we're on wave 1. That's not quite right. I'll fix that up too. Wave 0. Oh goodness. I don't know what it's doing. Let's have a look. What's going to happen next? Oh good, it's still shooting them. So it's getting harder and harder. Wave 2. I've got no idea what it's doing. Alright, cool. So one last thing is when we kill a balloon, we're going to give ourselves some money. So we're going to set add to money. Add 1 to money. And there's one other thing. Set wave to 1. Now let's test this out. Once we're done, I'll finish this. Oh, that's a long one. So they're getting much harder to kill already. Oh man, it's kind of rigged. Alright, we can't even kill them. We can't even get past wave 2. So we've got to change the mechanics a little bit. Just want to see if wave 3 comes up. Oh, we killed one. That was a surprise. Wave 3. Alright, beautiful. Okay, so there we go. The game is now working a lot better. Good luck.